Hello, my name is Lori Delaney, and I am the Director of Alumni Relations for the Associate Alumni of Douglas College. I'm here today to do a quick walkthrough of the new Zoom platform, since we will be using it for the Victoria Dabrowski-Schmidt 42 Workplace and Professional Development Symposium. So the first step is you are going to receive an email from Zoom. The subject line will read, Lori Delaney registered you for Victoria Dabrowski-Schmidt 42 Workplace and Professional Development Symposium. So you'll just go down, and on the ticket you have a choice of yes, maybe, or no. If you'd still like to attend, you'll just click yes, and then scroll down. And from here you can join your event, but one important note is that you must be logged into your Zoom account to be able to join the event. If you do not have a Zoom account, you can register at zoom.us for a free account. So I'm going to go ahead and click Join Event, and this will take you into the lobby for the VDS Symposium. So you'll see that there is a chat over to the right. You can click on your profile icon and choose either Feeling Social or Simply Exploring. And what this will do, it will put a ring around your icon, which tells people that you are open to network. So you'll be able to exchange contact information. But if you're simply exploring, it means that you would not be open to networking. So also in the lobby, you'll notice at the upper right is a menu: lobby, sessions, itinerary, expo, and speakers. So from here you can go in and look at any of your speakers, click on their names, read a little bit about them. Also, once the session starts, this will turn into a join button, and you'll be able to join from here, or you can go into sessions and join from your session. You can also bookmark here. So you can see I bookmarked the keynote address, and the first workshop is Feeling Good Enough that I signed up for. And then the second one, if you signed up for Navigating Complex Challenges or Create and Tell Your Story, you would be able to bookmark either one of them. And then also the symposium panel, which we will all be at together. What this does is it creates an itinerary for you. And also Zoom set it up so that you can pretty much join from wherever you are. So even in the itinerary, you can click on, and this will also turn into a join button once the conference is going. And you'll be able to join from here as well. So you can join from your speaker list, your itinerary, or your sessions. Once a session is over, you will automatically be moved back into the lobby. And going back to the menu at the upper right, you'll see Expo, which will bring you to our Expo booths, which we have a lunch cafe. You'll be able to network and enjoy lunch together if you'd like. We have a thank you booth from development, Symposium Quick Tips with Suki Kar, and also learn more about the VDS Planning Committee if you'd like to join in planning the next VDS event. And you can just go back into your lobby here. And also, when you first come in, our first session is going to be a welcome and keynote speaker session. And you will also be able to join that from the lobby, as well as the sessions menu and itinerary. So I think that is about it, and I hope this helps make it easier to enjoy your experience at the virtual Victoria Dabrowski-Schmidt 42 Workplace and Professional Development Symposium. Have a great day. Thank you so much.